It's day one of the Crystal Rogers murder trial for one of the suspects charged in the case, Steve Lawson. The latest updates we just got from the courtroom was the testimony of Crystal Rogers' mother, Sherry Ballard. Our crews tell us she was very emotional on the stand, breaking down as soon as she started testifying. Ballard told the court that Crystal Rogers and Brooks Houck relationship was not good in 2015, around the time that she disappeared. Houck is the father of one of Rogers' kids. He and Steve Lawson's son, Joseph, are also charged in her murder, and they are going on trial together next month. Ballard said that Brooks had, quote, other girlfriends. WDRB's Hayden Restevsky has been in the courtroom all day and tells us how jurors were picked for a case that's drawn national attention.
We're here inside the Warren County Justice Center, and as a reminder to our viewers, the judge has banned all cameras and electronic devices during this case, so you're only going to be hearing an account of what's happening inside the courtroom. The media and family members watched jury selection in an overflow courtroom today. Sherry Ballard, Crystal Rogers' mother, was seated in the front row. Steve Lawson, one of 3 men charged in the murder of Crystal Rogers, is charged with conspiracy murder and evidence tampering charges. Rogers has been missing since 2015 and is presumed dead. Before jury selection today, defense attorneys argued they did not have enough time to prepare and asked the judge to postpone the trial. They said they didn't have enough time to review thousands of pages of evidence and hundreds of hours of interviews. Judge Charles Sims ruled the trial would go on as scheduled. We then moved on to jury selection, and attorneys asked in-depth questions about knowledge of the case and whether jurors had formed any opinions about it. We learned that most of the people brought here today in the jury pool did have some knowledge of this case. Prosecutors also told jurors that they were not here to decide if Crystal Rogers was murdered or how. They're here to decide about a conspiracy, whether there was an agreement to move Rogers' car. The judge told jurors he expects this case will wrap up this Friday, but it could stretch into Monday. And again, we are just relying on taking handwritten notes inside the courtroom, and we're only allowed to share that information during court recesses. For the most up-to-date information that we're posting as we get it, just go to WDRB.com. Reporting in Bowling Green with photojournalist Josh Horton, Hayden Restevsky, WDRB News.